Finals, advancing to sectionals from Lacrosse, Logan, Taylor Grunzel, Jack Shaw, and Kyle Colburn. And the winner with a time of 4 minutes, 37 seconds from Baraboo, Garrett Bruni for your boys' 1,600-meter run. Team rankings with 6 events scored. In third, Lacrosse Logan with 33. Lacrosse Central in second with 37. And Holman on top with 49. Team rankings with 6 events scored for the men.
Don't. What happened? Did they drop the baton?
Third call for the boys, 400-meter dash. Third call for the boys, 400-meter dash. Second call for
and
the girls,
here
4x
comes
100-meter
Mr.
relay.
Gabe Henry.
Second call, girls, 4x100-meter relay.
See ya.
First call, boys, 4x100-meter relay. First call, boys, 4x100-meter relay.
Come on, Gabe.